Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. In the last class, we studied the sounds of alphabets from I to P, and today we are going to learn the sounds of alphabets Q to Z. Let's start. Sound of alphabet Q is Q. Q, Q, as in queen, quilt, quick, quiz. Sound of alphabet R is R. R, R, as in rat, rain, rabbit, run, race. Sound of alphabet S is Sir. S, Sir, as in sun, sad, salt, sir, sound. Sound of alphabet T is T. T, T, as in train, top, tap, 10, 2. Sound of alphabet U is A. U, A, as in umbrella, use, up, uncle. Sound of alphabet V is V. V, V, as in van, vegetables, vase. Sound of alphabet W is W. W, W, as in watch, wall, walk, water. Sound of alphabet X is X. X, X, as in X-Max tree, X-ray. Sound of alphabet Y is Y. Y, Y, as in yo-yo, yellow, yoga, yes. Sound of alphabet Z is Z. Z, Z, as in zoo, zip, zero, zebra. Thank you so much. Students, please do practice of these sounds we learned today.